Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to create graph. First, we key in the data first. After we have put in all the data, we highlight it. Then click Insert. Then choose the graph you want to create. I choose this one. See? It's so easy. Then, if I change my mind, I want this to have a different title. Marks. Change to latest mark. See, it will automatically change. Then what if I want to change it into different type of chart? So I right click, click this one, change chart type. See, we can choose other charts as well, like line, pie. Let's see for this line chart. See, it's so easy. Just need to choose the type of chart you want.